Once a traveler reached the gate of a city after an arduous journey. He paused, gazing intently at the city, his thoughts drifting to the inhabitants within. Nearby, he noticed an elderly man sitting in tranquil silence. Intrigued yet hesitant, the traveler approached him, inquiring about the nature of the city's populace. The old man, not responding immediately, examined the traveler with serene composure before asking, "What were the people like where you came from?" Reflecting on his past, the traveler grimaced, answering, "They were selfish and unkind, caring only for themselves." The old man slowly nodded. "You will find the same kind of people here," he replied. Crestfallen, the traveler sighed and departed without further words. Later, another traveler arrived with a brisk step, eyes gleaming with anticipation. He too saw the old man and approached, asking with an eager voice, "What kind of people live here?" The old man, maintaining his calm demeanor, posed the same question. "What were the people like where you came from?" With a smile, the traveler answered, "They were kind and generous, always willing to help others." The old man nodded once more. "You will find the same kind of people here," he replied. Grinning, the traveler thanked the old man and entered the city joyfully. The old man continued his silent vigil at the gate, observing travelers come and go, his enigmatic responses unchanged yet profound. One day, a curious youth stopped and inquired, "Why do you tell people different things about the same city?" The old man smiled and explained, "People see the world as they see themselves. The city remains unchanged, but people's hearts transform it." The boy, not wholly understanding, pondered over the old man's words as he walked away. Thus, the old man sat, dispensing wisdom cloaked in simple words, his answers reflecting the innermost sentiments of those who sought them. In life, the perceptions of others often mirror what we harbor within. If burdened with anger, distrust, and fear, these traits manifest in those around us. Conversely, kindness, hope, and love unlock the goodness that pervades. This tale illustrates that the world is a reflection of what we project into it. The city never altered, but the traveler's minds did. One perceived selfishness because it clouded his heart. The other saw kindness for he carried it with him. In our lives, the choice lies within us. To discover goodness, we must first cultivate it within. The world is our mirror. It reflects who we truly are.